Here I've got DOOGEE X80 and let me show you how to hide or show caller ID. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, then click on the settings right here and go to calling accounts. And under calling accounts you will find Play or any other carrier that you have. In my case it's Play, so smoothly click on it, tap on additional settings, and here if you will click on caller ID, right here, just click on it. You can smoothly hide or show your number, so it's up to you. Let me, for example, show number, and from now on your number will be always displayed, and outgoing calls, obviously you can pick hide or network default. And that's it. This is all. This is how you can change it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.